Ganesh Chaturthi is all around the corner. This festival is celebrated very grandly, and during this time people will make variety of sweets. One among them is Modak. There are two types of Modak, steamed Modak and fried Modak. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sylvia. Today I'm going to make fried modak, which is very easy recipe, and this is one of the favorite sweet of Lord Ganesha. So without wasting time, let's move on to the video. Let's see the ingredients to make this recipe. Peanuts, almonds, cashew nuts, sesame seeds, grated coconut, jaggery, ghee, all-purpose flour or maida, water and oil for deep fry. Heat a pan on low flame. Now I am going to add 1/3 cup of raw peanuts and I am going to roast the peanuts medium to low flame. Roast the peanuts until they are crispy and crunchy. Once the peanuts are roasted, remove it on a plate and allow the peanuts to cool down. Next, I am going to add 1/3 cup of grated coconut. Lightly roast the coconut on low flame and make sure you are stirring the coconut so that it does not get burnt. Once the coconut started to turn light golden, remove from the pan. I also roast almonds and cashews. I have taken 10 to 12 cashew nuts. If you wish to add more, you can add it more. And roast till the color changes. Once the peanuts are cooled down, peel off the skin. In a mixer jar, we will add roasted peanuts, coconut, almonds, cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, half cup of jaggery. Here I have used powdered jaggery and 2 cardamom and grind it. We'll add this mixture to a bowl. And make it small laddus and keep on a plate and keep aside. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, salt as per taste and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Just mix this first. Now we will gradually pour the water and knead it for at least 3 to 4 minutes to get nice soft dough. Finally, just rub the ghee all over the dough. And let it sit for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, just take some portion from the dough and just roll it out like a big chapati. And make sure you are rolling evenly everywhere. Next, take a bowl like this and press it over the chapati and make it like a small puris. Take one puri on your hand and keep a dry fruits laddu and pleats the puris like this as shown as in the video. Slowly do it. And just turn like this and press it so that the stuffing will not come out. I had made all the modaks are like this. Modaks are done. Now we will start frying them in medium hot oil. Oil is hot and ready. Now I am going to slowly add the modaks and make sure you are frying them in a low flame because they can remain slightly raw from inside. So fry them on low flame to get evenly fried inside and crispy outside. Perfect, they are looking golden brown and ready. Now I am going to remove it from the oil. Similarly, I will fry all the modaks. If you like this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and give your comment and suggestions in comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Wishing you all happy Ganesha Chaturthi. May the blessings of Lord Ganesha always be upon you. Thank you for watching.